For over 40 years, Mitutoyo UK have been providing metrology products and services to the UK market. And today I'm in their Coventry centre to actually show a new product which is called the FORMTRACER Avant. Sam, thank you very much for the invitation to the Coventry Centre here of Mitutoyo UK. Now, one thing that I've seen this year is that you've been promoting certain products, and one new product earlier this year was the MyStar CMM. It's gone very well, but now we're looking at the FORMTRACER Avant. Now, could you tell me a little bit about what this actually does and how it helps engineers?
So this machine is a dual-purpose measuring machine. It has a contour measuring head as well as a surface finish measuring head. This will measure internal or external features, things that maybe a CMM can't get to, but it also has the ability to measure surface roughness.
So when you look at general engineers, what type of company would be using this, and what type of products would they be making that they couldn't, let's say, use a CMM to actually measure on?
So this type of machine lends its hand to checking very small internal features, things like threads, small radii, angles. Also, obviously, with surface roughness, most components nowadays would have some kind of a roughness call out. So this type of equipment would really benefit any engineering company.
And when you look at the type of component, would it be like a sort of quite a prismatic product, or something that's quite critical, let's say, that could be in an engine of an aircraft, for instance?
Yes, so engine components would have heavy roughness call-outs, small features. We sell a lot of these machines into engine manufacturers to measure things like valve seats, valve guides.
So when you look at the general subcontracting market or OEM market, where would you see the FORMTRACER Avant actually sitting quite nicely to help with their products?
So this type of equipment is a complement to anybody's inspection room. It's unique in the sense that it can measure internal threads that maybe other measurement equipment can't get into. Surface roughness is obviously quite critical now within the industry, so with the ability to measure surface roughness as well, this machine actually has it all.
Now, I know Mitutoyo UK are very strong on your backup with servicing but also training, but how easy is it to use?
Oh, it's very easy to use. I mean, the software is nice and simple. The software can evaluate both contour and surface roughness. We've just had a new feature on the machine that has a nice quick release thumb screw, so you can change over the detectors very easily, a couple of clicks in the software, and away we go.
And when you look at the future of measuring, obviously we've got Mac coming up very soon. Will you have this type of product on the stand?
Yeah, so we'll definitely have this to showcase at the Mac exhibition. We'll also be showing a full range of Mitutoyo's equipment, from CMMs to VMMs, hardness testers and hand tools.
So when I visit a lot of companies and they look at new innovations of metrology equipment, a lot of them will say, do I have to actually put it in a temperature controlled area within the company, or can it sit on the bench in the general manufacturing unit?
Well, it's a very robust machine, so it's designed to be able to be used out on the shop floor around the machining centres, or if need be it can go into a laboratory in a temperature controlled environment, but it will work in pretty much any environment.
So with this, Sam, is there other units available, or is it just the FORMTRACER Avant in this range?
So the range, we do a very large range of this machine. We sell the FORMTRACER Avant range, which comes with the contour and surface finish modules. You can also buy just the surface finish machine on its own and just the contour machine on its own, with the option of retrofitting the other modules at a later date if that was a requirement.
And from engineers that actually want to see this in demonstration, over and above maybe Mac, where else can they see this or have a demo?
So we've got showrooms all across the UK. We have a showroom in Andover, one in Coventry, one in Halifax and one in East Kilbride. So if people would like to come and view this machine or have an equipment demonstration, we're not far away from anywhere.
So is this machine cost effective, and what support and training do you actually offer as a package to engineers?
So all our machines are sold as a package. The price is the package price and there are no hidden costs. With the machine you get the latest version of software, you get a PC system, installation, delivery, calibration, you get sitting guilds training by one of our expert trainers, and then you get application support for the life of machine via our equipment specialists or via our expert hotline.